Hi friend, good morning. Welcome again. So I'm continue the topic of NAT, which my previous video I have show you that how we configure the NAT and why we need in NAT. So in this lecture, I'm going to show one major thing. Like suppose sometime we when we are configuration point to point with the ISP or the client. Sometimes clients say that okay, no, we can only want that your request will come from this particular IP, not from the public IP which you configure. So we need to configure one IP. Maybe that IP not exist in both network, but client is demanding that okay, no, we need IP which is coming from other other source. So this is my branch router, this one. Let me show the configuration. So my branch router, my LAN IP is 192.168.50.1, but client said no, I want request from not the 50.1 and not your public IP. I want the request from maybe some 201 or 203, something like, which I already configure. I will show you. So client told me that okay, he want the request for 21210.210.5.1. I say okay. Then I see that this only achieved by the NAT. Why? Because in that case we need to configure NAT pool. I will show you the configuration of NAT. So let me check. See, I will show you first my interfaces which is connecting with the WAN. So I consider this is my public IP, this is my LAN IP. So I have default route towards the ISP which I am using for internet. So this is my default route. Now what I need to do, the client is, I told that demanding that this should be, he should be receive request for 213. So I have done the configuration for the NAT where I need to configure first access list. So access list is already configured. So access list I permit any I just permit that 192.50.1 also in the range. I put the name of access list is test. So what we need to do next now, once I configure the test access list, I need to call this access list on the NAT. So NAT, how we can call, let me show you the configuration. So in the NAT I need to first create the pool which client is asking. Okay, client told me that he want the accept request for only 210.210.5. So I created one IP NAT pool. Pool name is outside. You can put any inside, outside, customer name, and I define that okay, this is 5.1 where I'm starting and ending with the 5. You can define the range also. When you configuring any this one, you will get the option that you can define the range. I'm giving you example, like when I'm pasting here. So you will get the range that okay, you need to define range also. Like if client asks okay, no, I want the, I can accept only request for 10 IP. So here you can define it. So here you can define it. See that when you defining the pool, it will ask you to start IP. So suppose I'm putting start IP 10.210, which client mean, and I need to also, they will also ask you end IP. So it means I can put here 210.210.5.10 also, but in my configuration I just consider one IP. So once you configure this command, it will look like this. So here then where I defining IP NAT pool, which I define the pool. Now I define the pool, but I need to call this pool with the NAT. So the next command is IP NAT inside. If from inside my source list, which I created the access list, which I again, let me show you again, access list, show access list. Okay, so this is the access list. I call here where I define the pool. So what is my pool name which I created? Outside. Then I overload it. Now see the magic. I am, because I already show you that what is my default route. I am learning route from, my default route is going to 112. When I am pinging 1112, the source IP 192.168, 50.1. Now see what magic will happen now here. So see, I am starting ping response. So I am pinging here. See, I am pinging the source of 50.1, but see, this router is receiving my request from 5.1, and when I am replying back ping 192.168.50.1, so see what request I am, he is by default sending request to 2.5.1. even I never tell this router, but here you can see that this request is going to 50.1. so I am again repeating, this is very critical point in NAT, that it happens so many times when you configure any internal network and the same network is running on other side. So client asks, okay, you can give me the request from this IP, not this IP. On that case, this NAT is very much helpful. You can see the logs. Client is receiving request from, especially from 5.1. so they are accepting this network and they are reversing back with the same IPs. So thank you, it is a very crucial point, so I want to highlight. Thank you for watching this video. If it is really helpful, please subscribe my channel and put the comment, and kindly give more comment for my guidance so that I will make more and more video and I will feel motivated. Thank you.